This is amazing. It was a Vichy, but how does it? Viršuliškių.
Yes.
Yeah, gatvė 6. What numbers?
Yeah. 36 to 72, I think.
Alright, this is amazing. It was built in 1977. To right here.
Yeah.
This is the original. Only the call buttons are placed here.
Yeah.
In Lithuania here even.
Yeah.
And the buttons in Russian, but
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, that's these 4 rows are the heading rooms.
Yeah. 0 amperes, left 01 at 02 094.
In Viršuliškių, here in one of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania.
Yeah, or Viršuliškės.
Viršuliškės, yeah.
Oh, it's built by that maintained by Kony.
I want the sense and smell here.
Same here.
Sadly, those ventilation holes replaced here.
Yeah.
They should have been original.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter that much.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's